Good morning everyone. Today I can presentation about conversation and references structure. How to play. Number 1, conversation analysis. So guys, conversation analysis is a method used to study and understand the structure and dynamic of conversation. It will first examine the patterns and strategies used by speaker to communicate effectively and manage interaction. This include analysis the roles of speaker, the flow or tone, and the use of language to convey meaning and maintain social relationship. Number 2, pauses, overlap, and back channels. Pauses are intentional or unintentional break in the flow of speech. They can be used to allow the listener to process information, to signal the end of a thought, or they create a sense of drama or surprise. For example, a speaker might pause before delivering a punchline to bold and intimidation. Example, Mr. Burhan, how was your day, Rob? Oh, it was alright. Actually, it was a fool. I got called to the principal office. Mr. Burhan, what? For what reason? Rob, well, one, it wasn't anything bad. 4 seconds, Mr. Burhan, just tell me. 3 seconds, Miss Burhan, Rob, I make great consent on explosion at the scans lab. The dash mean is very short pause, indicating hesitation, while the longer pauses, shown by 3 seconds and 4 seconds, indicate silence. Since the first silence made by Rob had a completed turn, then it is no attributed, but the second silence made by Mr. Burhan did not get a response from Rob, then it is a attributed silence. Overlaps occur when 2 or more speakers starting talking at the same time, either intentionally or unintentionally. This can be a sign of disagreement to bad heart, or a lack of awareness of the other speaker's turn. For if 2 people are discussing a topic and one person starts speaking while the other is still talking, it's called busy or on overlap. Example, Lana, have you heard the latest gossip? May, no, you have to tell me everything. Lana, you know Excel? The hot accent student. May, the cat is from Hawaii? Lana, yeah, turned out he faked his identity. And he may, what? That's, let me finish. The trouble / illustration and overlap. It can explain solidarity, expressing similar opinions, but it can also communicate competitive in this case of getting a say first. Jadi yang kata garis miring 2 itu adalah tanda jeda gitu. Back channels are verbal cues used by listener to show they are paying attention and following the conversation. Example of back channels include who, yeah, or I see. These cues can be used to encourage the speaker to communicate or the signal understanding. Example, Adrian, I just finished reading a book about ancient history and the content is very profound. Megan, oh, I see, so interesting, and ask the speaker to continue. Adrian, yes, it say a lot about ancient Egyptian culture. Megan, interesting. The listener is interested and following the conversation. Conversation style. Number 3, conversation style. Conversation style refers to the unique manner in which the individual or group communicate. This include factors such as tone, pitch, and language using. For example, a conversational styling might be formal and structured or informal and casual. Number 4, adjective pairs. Adjective phrases are a fundamental concept in conversation analysis. They refer the pairing of two terms in a conversation where the second term is directly related to the first. This can include pairs like question, answer, over acceptance, or getting response. For instance, in a conversation where someone asks, "How was your day?" the expected response will be an answer about their day. Example, Tyler, "Hey, John." "Hey, man." Tyler, "Listen, I'm having trouble doing my homework. Could you help me with it?" Question 1. John, "What subject is it?" Question 2. Tyler, "History." Answer 2. John, "Sure, I help you out." Answer 1. When someone say, "Hey," it explains the revel will respond by back the second part where you see Q1, Q2, A2, AI is can interaction sequence. Although a question Q1 is being responded with another question Q2, the assumption is that once the second part 2 of the insertion sequence is provided, the second part AI of the initiated question Q1 will follow. Number 5. Preference structure. A first part that contains a request or offer is typically made in expectation that the second part will more likely accept. This structure likelihood is called preference, which included a socially determined structural pattern and doesn't refer to any individual mental or emotional desire. Example, number 1, request and approval. Wakak, wow, can you please get me that book? Kak game or preferred. Sure, this is the book. Unibakwan Disparate Story. I'm busy now. Number 2, invitation and acceptance. Wow. Will you have dinner with me tomorrow? Kak game preference. Yes, of course. Unibakwan Disparate. Thank you, but I have other events. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for listening and watching the video. Thank you.